Hello friends, welcome back to the online classroom. Today we are going to see the practicals of the adjustable voltage regulator using LM317. So voltage regulator using LM317. So this is adjustable voltage regulator IC. So you can see here this IC has three terminals 1, 2, 3. So at the one terminal you can place the ground. So adjust terminal, 2 is the output terminal, 3 is the input terminal. So here you can give input. This is unregulated power supply. So you can give 28 volts maximum. So this is filtering capacitor. So at the output there is also a filtering capacitor. You can see the output here, and here you can use the variable resistor. So this variable resistor is used to vary or change the output voltage of your LM317 regulator. So you can see the arrangement of this resistor so that you can change the output. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, circuit diagram. So we'll go to the observation part. So in this observation part you can see here, so this is for line regulation. So you have to keep the load resistance, that is RL, constant at 0.508 kilo ohm, and then we'll set the output voltage to 10 volts. Then we'll vary the input voltage V from 12 to 18, and you can see here, so 18, 20, 30, 10.7, like this. So you can see the output voltage has not changed very much. So it is ranging from 10 to 10.2 only. So this is your line regulation. And for load regulation, you can see here, this is for load regulation. So you can see for load regulation you have to keep the V in constant 12 volts, and then you have to check for different loads. So this is load, okay. So there are different loads. So 0.508 kilo ohm, 0.169 kilo ohms. So these are the high voltage loads. So by varying these loads or changing these loads, we have to measure the load current, that is IL. So for first load, the load current is 0.19 milliampere, and for last there is a 0.47 milliampere. So by calculating this, you can see here, although you are changing the load, your output voltage is not changing that much. So there is only slightly variation in your output voltage. So that means in the line regulation or load regulation, you are getting a constant output voltage. So line regulation states that even when there is a change in line voltage, your output voltage should be constant, and load regulation states that even when there is a change in your load, your output voltage must be kept constant. So I think we have achieved both of this, line regulation and load regulation. So we'll come into this calculation part. So in the calculation part, you can see there is the same formula for line regulation calculation and same formula for the load regulation calculation. We have already seen in our two previous practicals. So by doing this, we can calculate. So first of all, we will calculate the line regulation. So we will just take one output voltage and one input voltage and then calculate. So 83% will get the line regulation, and for the load regulation, so V no load minus V full load divided by V full load into 100. So by just doing this, you can take, so this is the 1.96%. So just ignore this minus sign, okay. So you can see here we calculate the line regulation and load regulation for the LM317 IC voltage regulator. So here you can see in the load regulation, you can see for various changes in your load, the output voltage has not changed a lot. So that means what? So there is a compensation for the current. So whenever your load changes and output voltage remains the same, so there must be change in the load current. So that is why you can see a change in the load current. You can see here, when the load is lowest, then your current is maximum, and when the load is highest, your current is minimum. So this is what the load regulation you can examine like this. And for line regulation, we are not calculating any current, so this is not very important. So for line regulation, so any change in your line input voltage, it should not affect the output voltage. That is why your output voltage must kept constant. So I hope you all understand the basic concept regarding the LM317 voltage regulator IC. Thank you for watching the video.